my favorite. Oh,
Or let's say it differently. What
okay.
functional character would you choose to live with that would complement?
If even that's difficult. This is like this is so. I'm like I can't answer this question. I can, um, because it's hard because I love them all because of what they teach us. I love them all because of what they teach us. I I really like the curiosity of a solitary individual. I find solitary individuals really peculiar beings. Um, so in this moment, I'm going to say solitary individual, but I do love them all. I mean, that's why I love having lots of dogs with different functional characters because I just love them all. Yeah, yeah, that's a
Good.
really hard question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like it's so because so many people are like, oh, don't. I mean, jokingly, I say don't get an overseer, jokingly, but some people are like, oh my god, I'm not going to get an overseer. I'm like, but they're incredible. They are so much fun, overseers. They are so much fun. Um, but guides are. I mean, we're living with another animal, so they are a challenge because we're living with another animal. But guides are challenging, but I love that challenge. Defenders are stoic, and I love that. Um, yeah, it's a really difficult question to answer. Um, but I love the peculiarity of the solitary individual.